We're here with a 1979 Ford F150 4x4. This is I guess you'd call it, we like to call these heirloom vehicles. This was bought originally new in Durant, Mississippi by a man, and his son learned how to drive on this truck, and now the man's grandson has this truck. The man who originally owned it has already gone on and passed, but the family wants to try to bring this truck back, and that's what brings me to this truck today. They wanted me to go over it, give an evaluation, kind of figure out what's going on with this truck. So that's what we've been doing today. As you can see, it's bright, hot, sunny here in central Mississippi. We're staring down Hurricane Ida coming in the next 2 days. But we went ahead and wanted to go ahead and try to get some work done and get a little evaluation. We went ahead, we didn't video it. It's too much, and nobody likes to watch compression tests. Once they've seen one, they've seen a million. This truck is low in compression on number 7. It appears that it is going to be a valve problem, either burnt or stuck. I'm leaning towards probably burnt. We have driven the truck around to try to get an evaluation of the brakes, which it had none, and found that there is where this goes through a clamp on the frame, has a pinhole. I don't know if you can see it or not. We'll try. But
oh yeah, I can manually focus that in there.
There you go.
Yep, we see that now.
All right, good deal. All right, so it's just got a little pinhole. And I haven't decided. We'll either do one of two things. I'll either do a proper repair with the right kind of union and a double flare on this factory line, or we may go get a stick. Whoop, excuse me while I drop it. See if I can find a piece of stick line somewhere like Napa and hand bend one up and be able to get the brakes working on it. The old truck seems like it's pretty solid. All the bones are here. Once you walk back here real quick, and we'll show them the bed. They used to haul fertilizer, and this is really the worst part of the whole truck. It is the bed. This was used for a work truck, but as far as being beat up, this truck is not beat up, and underneath the cab corners, and all of that stuff is absolutely rust free. This is a 100% solid cab, so they're going to have to try to find a bed to replace this one. And other than that, I think this thing's going to be basically a cosmetic brush up and do a few mechanical items like brakes and figure out what else is wrong with that engine, because we've already run the transfer case and all that. Everything seems to be functioning. All right, so y'all stay tuned. I don't know how much work I'm actually going to get to do on this truck. We're still trying to get back to the Mercury Comet, which is my project and has priority over anything. So in the meantime, why don't you go out and watch another one of my videos coming on the screen right now.